Gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Android 16 new features in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there have been so many different new features that have been added. The first thing you want to look at is app archiving. You can save storage space without deleting an app, underlining data. You can save storage space without deleting an app's underlying data, settings, or progress. All you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings. Once you're inside of settings, you want to simply go ahead and look for the apps tab. Now here, you want to simply go ahead and select the individual app that you are looking at. And now you can simply go ahead and click on archive just like that. And it is going to go ahead and archive the application. You can restore it if you want to as well. The second feature that has been added is AI wallpapers and custom stickers. Simply tap and hold on your screen. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and select wallpaper and style. Here, you can simply go ahead and click on change wallpaper, and you can actually go ahead and use create with AI and click on generative and simply generate your own. So those are a couple of different ones that have been added. There's also live thread detection. You want to simply go into your settings. Once inside of your settings, you want to look for security and privacy. Once you've looked for security and privacy, you want to simply go ahead and click on app security. Finally, it is going to go ahead and show you real-time threat right over here. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.